Alright, on today's video we have an unboxing. Got a brand new Apple Pencil. This is the second gen for my iPad Pro. Never thought I was going to need one, but with the new DaVinci Resolve out, I think it's going to be a step up, being able to fine-tune those videos on the iPad, and this is something I want to do, is fine-tune my videos, really step up the production quality of them in 2023. So let's do the unboxing. Let's get down here on the desk and show you what comes in here and how to set it up. Y'all stay with me. Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. Let's jump down here on the table. I'm going to give you kind of a sideways view on it because I don't have anything straight ahead. I really got to work on that. So let's jump down here on the table. Okay, I'm going to give you kind of a sideways view here. I need to figure out a way to have a top-down shot. That'd be one of the next things I do. So just standard Apple packaging. I got this off Amazon. It was on sale for a whole lot less than what it is on the Apple Store. Apple Store, it's over $100, and I got it for $89, which is still kind of high for a pencil, but it's what I do. It's not sponsored. Just pay for this with my own money. So it's got a little tab here on the side. One thing about Apple packaging, they do some things bad, but some things they do good. And I opened it up upside down. So here's the pencil. And this is the second generation. It's got the little Apple Pencil thing here. It's got the tip. Take the plastic off of it. It's a heavy little device. Like I said, I never thought I'd need one, but with the new DaVinci Resolve. Okay, now here's a little quick start guide. Magnetically attach the iPad Pro to pair, charge, and store. Several different languages. Double tap to change modes, so you can double tap the pencil to go from pencil to eraser. You can replace the tip by just unscrewing it. So that was a really quick start. Then you got your safety and regulation stuff, I bet. Yep. This is all your safety and regulation nonsense. I don't know why you'd need it for a pencil, but I guess since it's got a battery in it, a bunch of different languages. And that's it. Now you can buy different tips for this thing. You can buy little attachments to go right here so you can grip it better. And I'll list some of those things. I'm probably going to get one of those so I can grip it better. My hands are kind of big. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. Grab my iPad Pro. And this is my 2020 iPad Pro. This is not an M1 version. Okay, so all we have to do, let me unlock it. And if you look up here at the top of it, see this little dark gray strip? That's where the magnet and charging area is. Magnet and charging area. So all we're going to do, set it right here, and there's really strong magnets. And see, it says welcome to Apple Pencil. Okay, so I've changed it over to the iPad capture. So now we can see welcome to Apple Pencil. So we can, it unlocks a whole new IPadOS experience, letting you annotate, draw, markup, and edit apps. You can use it as a stylus. Kind of use it as a mouse if you want to. Create a quick note, scribble, switch tools with a gesture, and easily capture screenshots. So we're going to hit continue. And we're going to try scribbling. So it's already paired with the device. So we're going to write a few words. Picked it up, and I'm left-handed, and I was upside down there, so we hit continue. We're going to explore double tap. So all I'm going to do is see how it's changing in between the eraser and the pencil. That's pretty neat. So it is ready to go. And how you can find it, see now I'm doing this with the pencil, just with the tip of it. So I'm going to go down here to Apple Pencil. And you can see the double tap going right up there. You can switch between current tool and eraser, switch between current tool and last use, color palette, or you can turn double tap off. It says only draw with Apple Pencil, so you can, it'll detect when you're drawing with the pencil but not your finger. Use Apple Pencil to handwrite any text area, convert to type. We're going to turn that on. Try scribble. That's pretty good. Like I said, I'm upside down with it. So, pencil gestures, left corner swipe, right corner swipe. So you can do a quick note. So if I go down here and go, whoosh, that's a quick note. That's one of the handiest features. You can just start jotting stuff down now. So that's our setup. And then when I put it on there, it's showing it's charging. That little indicator will show up, and my keyboard will come off, but that's amazing. I didn't lose my connection there. That's crazy. So anyway, I'm going to start using the Apple Pencil with my DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty neat, pretty easy, quick. It's already up to 19%. Probably take 30-40 minutes for it to charge up. So there you go. Apple Pencil for iPad. Now I'll list in the description what devices you can use the Gen 1 and Gen 2. Like I have an iPad Pro 9.7 from 2015 or whatever. It still works. My wife uses it, and it has a lightning port, and the first gen has a lightning connector that you plugged inside that looked really stupid and easy to break. It's one of the reasons I never bought one. But yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. I got a couple of paper-like screen protectors I'm going to use with this too. It's supposed to give you the actual feel of paper. So there you have it. Bing! Pops right on there. Apple Pencil for iPad Pro. Pretty cool. So links in the description on where I got it, how much it was. That's about it. Hope everybody's doing well today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. Got a lot more iPad content coming out, especially with the DaVinci Resolve stuff. And that's about it. If you want to check out some other videos, check out this right here. It'll be on one of these sides. There'll be some videos pop up on my end screen. And that about do it. I hope everybody's had a great week. And I hope you're having a great day. And until the next video, thanks for watching.